The future just dropped, and it's cooler than you ever imagined. In 2026, gadgets aren't just smart, they're almost alive, blending design, technology, and innovation in ways that feel straight out of a sci-fi movie. From devices that anticipate your every need to tools that transform how you live, these are the coolest gadgets you'll want this year. Stick around because once you see them, ordinary tech will feel obsolete.
Number 1. Your desk just got a genius upgrade. Razer Project AVA isn't just a gadget, it's an AI companion designed to make work, gaming, and creativity feel seamless. From the moment it powers on, it anticipates your needs, adapts to your workflow, and enhances your space with intuitive control and intelligent responses. Using Project AVA feels natural. It manages tasks, monitors your setup, and interacts with your environment effortlessly, letting you focus on what matters most. Every motion, every command feels precise and responsive, turning an ordinary desk into a smart command center. What sets it apart is how it blends intelligence with design. Sleek, futuristic, and capable, AVA adapts to routines, automates mundane tasks, and even offers insights you didn't realize you needed. With Razer Project AVA, the future of your workspace isn't coming. It's already here, right on your desk. Number 2. Your content just got a serious upgrade. SYNCO XView M4's Selfie monitor turns every shot into a professional experience, letting you see yourself clearly and confidently before the camera even rolls. From the moment it powers on, it feels intuitive, bright, and precise, giving instant feedback so every angle and expression looks perfect. Using the XView M4 feels effortless. It adapts to lighting, keeps colors accurate, and makes framing a breeze, whether you're vlogging, streaming, or shooting content on the go. Sleek, responsive, and designed for creators, it transforms any setup into a smart, professional workspace. With SYNCO XView M4, seeing yourself better isn't just a feature, it's the future of content creation in your hands. Number 3. Big screen experiences no longer need a theater. Samsung Premiere 5 transforms any space into an immersive cinematic world, blending sleek design with futuristic projection technology. From the moment it powers on, it delivers stunning visuals and rich, vibrant colors that make every scene feel alive. Using the Premiere 5 feels effortless. It adapts to your room, projects massive images without complicated setup, and fills spaces with clarity and depth that rival traditional cinema. Sound and picture work in perfect harmony, making movies, games, or presentations feel larger than life. What sets it apart is how seamless it feels. You're not just watching content, you're stepping into it. With Samsung Premiere 5, projection isn't just about seeing, it's about experiencing the future of home entertainment. Number 4. Adventure doesn't wait for the perfect camera. It waits for the moment, and Insta360 GO 3S is built to capture it all. Tiny, lightweight, and deceptively powerful, this 4K camera turns every movement into cinematic footage, whether you're sprinting, cycling, or just exploring your day. From the moment you clip it on or mount it, it feels like an extension of your vision, always ready to record, always precise. Using the GO 3S feels effortless. Its stabilization keeps footage smooth, even in the wildest scenarios, while intelligent shooting modes anticipate motion, focus, and framing, letting you capture professional quality clips without thinking twice. Quick editing and intuitive controls make turning raw moments into shareable stories instant and seamless. What sets it apart is how it blends freedom with power. You can wear it, stick it, or mount it virtually anywhere, and it adapts instantly, delivering crisp, vibrant 4K footage with stunning clarity. Every clip feels alive, every angle feels intentional, and every moment becomes a story you can relive. With Insta360 GO 3S, the future of portable, high-quality filmmaking isn't coming, it's already in your pocket, ready to move with you. Number 5. Light meets innovation in the palm of your hand. Wuben G5 Titanium plate isn't just an EDC flashlight, it's a precision-engineered tool designed for durability, power, and portability. From the moment you switch it on, it delivers a bright, focused beam that cuts through darkness with ease, making every detail visible. Using the G5 feels effortless. Its titanium build makes it incredibly resilient, while compact design ensures it's always ready at a moment's notice. Every feature, from adjustable brightness to intuitive controls, is designed for smooth, reliable performance. With Wuben G5 Titanium plate, illumination isn't just practical, it's futuristic, premium, and ready to go wherever life takes you. Number 6. Cleaning isn't just a chore anymore, it's becoming intelligent. Roborock Saros Rover takes everyday floor care to the next level, blending precision, efficiency, and smart technology in a way that feels almost alive. From the moment it starts moving, it maps your home with purpose, navigates obstacles effortlessly, and adapts its path for maximum coverage without missing a single corner. Using the Saros Rover feels surprisingly natural. It glides across different surfaces, adjusts suction automatically, and handles dirt, dust, and debris with consistent precision. You don't guide it, it guides itself, learning your home's layout and optimizing each cleaning session so every room feels perfectly maintained. What makes it truly futuristic is how it combines power with subtlety. It works quietly, efficiently, and intelligently, turning what was once a repetitive task into an automated experience. Long-term, it keeps floors fresher, spaces healthier, and your time completely free. With Roborock Saros Rover, cleaning isn't just automated, it's elevated, efficient, and smarter than ever, redefining what a modern home can feel like. Number 7. Homes are changing and companionship is evolving. Enabot EBO X isn't just a robot, it's a family companion designed to interact, entertain, and support, bringing the future of home robotics straight into your living space. From the moment it comes to life, it feels alive, moving with purpose, responding to gestures, and connecting with everyone around it. Using EBO X is intuitive and surprisingly natural. It navigates effortlessly across rooms, avoids obstacles gracefully, and adapts to your household's unique rhythms. Whether it's following a child with playful curiosity, alerting you to motion while you're away, or simply providing interactive entertainment, it blends seamlessly into daily life without ever feeling intrusive. What makes it truly special is how it combines intelligence with personality. Its sensors and AI allow it to adapt to your routines, remember interactions, and even respond to voice commands, creating interactions that feel personal and engaging. From streaming music to capturing moments to helping monitor pets or simply keeping children entertained, EBO X becomes more than a device. It becomes a presence in the home that everyone notices and interacts with naturally. The experience is both futuristic and comforting. It moves with confidence, reacts with responsiveness, and provides a sense of connection that goes beyond simple automation. Families can rely on it to enhance daily life, provide security, and offer companionship, all while staying unobtrusive and easy to manage. With Enabot EBO X, the future isn't coming, it's already in your living room. It's not just smart, it's personable, helpful, and endlessly engaging. This is the next generation of family companions, where technology feels alive, supportive, and truly a part of the household. Every interaction is designed to feel seamless, every task handled with precision, and every moment shared with it adds value to your day. EBO X redefines what a home robot can be, an intelligent, friendly presence that entertains, assists, and connects with your family naturally, bringing a touch of the future into everyday life. It's not just a gadget, it's the evolution of companionship designed for the modern home. Every interaction is designed to feel seamless, every task handled with precision, and every moment shared with it adds value to your day. EBO X redefines what a home robot can be, an intelligent, friendly presence that entertains, assists, and connects with your family naturally, bringing a touch of the future into everyday life. It's not just a gadget, it's the evolution of companionship designed for the modern home. Number 8. Imagine companionship reimagined. Small, smart, and surprisingly alive, OlloNi isn't just a gadget, it's a brand new cyber pet that brings futuristic interaction straight into your home. From the moment it powers on, it responds with personality, curiosity, and energy, moving, blinking, and reacting as if it understands your world. Using OlloNi feels effortless and natural. It recognizes gestures, responds to touch, and even reacts to sounds, creating moments that feel authentic and playful. Every interaction is designed to be engaging, whether it's following you around the room, performing little tricks, or simply expressing emotions through its expressive LED eyes. It feels like a companion rather than a device. What makes it extraordinary is how it blends intelligence with charm. Its sensors and AI allow it to adapt to your routines, remember interactions, and even respond to voice commands, creating interactions that feel personal and engaging. From streaming music to capturing moments to helping monitor pets or simply keeping children entertained, EBO X becomes more than a device. It becomes a presence in the home that everyone notices and interacts with naturally. OlloNi transforms ordinary spaces into interactive playgrounds of connection. It's portable, intuitive, and endlessly entertaining, providing companionship that's futuristic, engaging, and genuinely delightful. With OlloNi, the future of pets isn't waiting, it's already here, tiny, smart, and ready to bring a spark of life into your home.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for the latest tech and gadget updates.